Hi, welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to call a friend in English using simple, natural conversation. These are real phrases you can use in daily life to sound more confident on the phone. Stay until the end for useful vocabulary and common phrases. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English practice. All right, let's get started. Hi, hey, is this Alex?
Hi, yes, this is Alex speaking. Who's calling?
Hi, Alex, it's Maria. How are you today?
Maria. Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. It's really nice to hear from you. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. I was just thinking about you and decided to give you a call.
That's really nice of you. I'm glad you called. Is now a good time to talk?
Yes, it is. I hope I'm not calling at a bad time.
Not at all. I actually have some free time right now, so it's perfect.
That's great. So how has your day been so far?
It's been a little busy, but overall pretty good. I worked in the morning, had a short lunch break, and then ran a few errands in the afternoon. How about you?
My day was much calmer. I studied English in the morning, cleaned my room a bit, and then relaxed in the afternoon.
That sounds nice. Studying in the morning is a good habit.
I think so too. I feel more focused in the morning. Have you been busy with work lately?
Yes, work has been busy, but I'm learning a lot. Some days are tiring, but I enjoy it.
That's good to hear. It's nice when you enjoy what you do.
Exactly. By the way, how is your family doing?
They're doing well, thank you for asking. My parents are busy with work, and my brother just started a new job last month.
That's great news. He must be excited.
Yes, he is. We usually have dinner together in the evening and talk about our day.
I like that. Spending time with family is very important.
I agree. So, what do you usually like to do in your free time these days?
In my free time, I like watching movies, listening to music, and going for walks in the park.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I really like comedies and romantic movies because they help me relax after a long day.
Me too. I usually watch movies at home in the evening.
Same here. It's more comfortable than going out sometimes.
Do you also like cooking, or do you prefer eating out?
I like cooking simple meals at home, but sometimes I enjoy eating out with friends.
That sounds nice. Cooking at home can be relaxing.
Yes, especially on the weekends when I have more time.
Speaking of weekends, are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why do you ask?
I was wondering if you'd like to meet for coffee, or maybe take a walk together.
That sounds like a great idea. I'd really like that.
Perfect. We can decide on the time and place later.
Sounds good. Maybe we can meet on Saturday afternoon.
Saturday afternoon works for me.
Great. I'll send you a message later to confirm. Thank you. I'm really glad you called today.
Me too. It was really nice catching up and talking with you.
Let's try to talk more often.
Definitely. It's always nice to hear your voice.
Take care, Maria. Talk to you soon.
You too, Alex. Have a great evening. Bye for now.
Bye.
Before we finish, let's look at some helpful vocabulary and phrases to make your English sound more natural. On the phone, we say, "Is this?" followed by the person's name to make sure we are speaking to the correct person. Example: "Hi, is this Alex?" On the phone, we say, "This is," and our name, followed by "speaking," to tell the other person who we are on the call. Example: "Yes, this is Emily speaking." Catching up. Catching up is spending time talking with someone to share news or updates. Example: "It was nice catching up with you on the phone." How are you today? How are you today is a friendly question asking about someone's current feeling or condition. Example: "How are you today?" It's nice to hear from you. It's nice to hear from you is a polite phrase used to show happiness when someone calls or messages you. Example: "It's really nice to hear from you." Is now a good time to talk? Is now a good time to talk is a polite way to ask if someone is free to talk. Example: "Is now a good time to talk?"
Not at all. Not at all means no problem or it's okay. Example: "Not at all. I have some free time." Run errands. Run errands means to go out and do small tasks like shopping or appointments. Example: "I ran a few errands this afternoon." Are you free this weekend? Are you free this weekend? Is used to ask if someone is available. Example: "Are you free this weekend?" That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea is used to show agreement and enthusiasm. Example: "That sounds like a great idea." Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling is a polite way to end a phone conversation. Example: "Thanks for calling today. Have a great day." Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon is a friendly way to say goodbye. Example: "I'll message you later. Talk to you soon."
Great job today. Keep practicing a little every day, and your English will keep improving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.